Hi there, students. Infrastructure. Infrastructure. A noun, normally uncountable, but it could be countable as well. Okay, infrastructure are all of the things that you need for a society to be successful, for it to function properly. All of the basic services, the basic installations. So, for example, infrastructure is water, roads, railways, power and energy, bridges, telecommunications, waste management. Okay, and these I think are the main types of infrastructure. Okay, so the infrastructure, the basic organization, the basic facilities necessary for a society or for a particular type of operation. So, if you have a town that is on the seaside, if you want to make this a major port, then you're going to have to build the infrastructure for big ships to come. You're going to have to build long quays or docks. You're going to have to build cranes. You're going to have to build a road system. You're going to have to build warehouses. And all of these would be the necessary infrastructure in order to make something possible. Yeah, it's the underlying framework, the underlying foundation of an organization or a system. Okay, so infrastructure. During a war, very often, countries try to destroy each other's infrastructure. The basic facilities. Yeah, because without basic facilities like electricity, it's very difficult for a society to function well. Okay, so infrastructure, the organizational things. Yeah, if you want a tourist industry, you're going to need infrastructure, you're going to need hotels, you're going to need an airport, you're going to need methods to get the tourists to come into the place. Yeah, and this is normally considered something that determines how fast a country can grow economically. Yeah, it's the fixed capital equipment, the amount that a country has. Yeah, this includes factories, schools, all sorts of things, all of the basic things that are needed for a society to work effectively. So the war badly damaged the country's infrastructure. Yeah. So the infrastructure to get things to happen. Yeah, if a nation's population increases, then you're going to need new infrastructure. Yeah, or in the workplace, the basic things that a company needs or a factory needs to operate. Yeah, so the machines to make it work, the toilets for the workers or things like that. I guess a company could even have a financial infrastructure. So loan agreements in place, methods of payment, things like that. For example, internet and telecommunications, you need infrastructure. You need mobile base towers to broadcast the signal. Yeah, so these are the things. The infrastructure is the things needed to make the telecommunication system actually work. So infrastructure, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it anywhere. Maybe more informally, equipment. And it comes from French, infrastructure. Okay, infra from Latin, below, and structure. Yeah. which also comes from Latin structura, yeah, a building, an edifice, a structure, from struere, to arrange, to build. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Infrastructure.